Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to apply for an HSBC Bank credit card online. So doing it online is really convenient because you can complete everything from home and it's literally way faster than visiting a branch. So first, simply head over to the official HSBC website. Then simply find the credit card section from your options. So you'll then be able to see a list of credit cards with different perks like cashback, travel rewards, or even low interest. So simply take a moment to compare them and pick the one that best fits your needs. And once you've chosen your card, you will then have to click on Apply Now, and you will then be required to provide some personal information such as your full name, date of birth, address, and contact details. So simply make sure all the information matches your official documents to avoid delays. Next, you're also going to have to enter your financial details like your income, employment status, and any other existing credit commitments. So HSBC uses this information to assess your eligibility and set your credit limit. So after filling everything out, you then have to review everything carefully and submit it. So HSBC might also perform a soft or hard credit check, so just be aware of that. You may also receive a verification email or text to confirm your identity. And that's it. So once approved, your new HSBC credit card will be mailed directly to you. And you can then activate it online to start using it right away. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.